Now we are going to complete the masking in the Namecheap account. So I'll go to the dashboard. This is the domain name basically we just bought in the last video. So I'll go in the manage section. If you go there, just make sure the name server is set up in the name server basic DNS. This is the first step, okay? By default, it will be like this. So keep it as it is, okay? Then go to the advanced setting or advanced DNS. I'll remove everything because I don't need these things. Add a new record. Go in the URL redirect record. Let's put the @ first, and then our destination URL. So if I go to the offers again, basically this is the Black Friday. So this offer will be vanished within few days. So I'll go to the regular URL. So I'll just copy it and paste it over here. This is the permalink URL, and this will be masked. Just okay. I will add these things again with the www version and put a URL, and it will be masked again, and just send. All done. Now we can just check our domain name from here. Let's say we link like this. This is the backend. Then it looks like this one. Apply. So if we just anyone go this link, actually they will be redirected into our website. Okay. Next time I'll just promote this URL, and whenever people actually put this URL in the browser, it will be automatically redirected into the affiliate URL. I mean this URL. So this is the masking process, and we can promote this URL directly, not the short link or not the affiliate link. This is the best practice I'll follow for more than 5 years to 6 years. And this is the perfect way. Sometimes it may happen. Sometimes this company actually hostinger try to receive to take down this domain because this is totally similar to their domain, but you can just fight back because the meaning is totally different. Maybe context similar, but spelling and the meaning, everything is different. So you need to talk to them if they actually try to raise you for the take down this domain. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.